ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Welcome to day 6 of Learn Spoken Kannada. Today we'll learn the Kannada words for he and she. We'll also practice some easy and useful sentences using these words. So let's begin. Let's first learn how to say he and she in Kannada. He is Avanu. She is Avalu. I repeat, he Avanu, she Avalu. Now let's look at a simple example. He is a boy. Avanu huduga. She is a girl. Avalu hudugi. Before we move on to the next example, we need to know that Avanu and Avalu are used when the person is standing some distance away from us. For example, in this picture, the boy is standing at some distance away from his friend. So when his friend refers to him, he says, Avanu nanna snehita. He is my friend. Similarly, in this picture, the girl is standing some distance away from her friend. So, when her friend refers to her that she is my friend, she says, Avalu nanna snehite. We learned that Avanu and Avalu are used when the person is standing some distance away from us. So, what do we use when the person is standing near us? We use Ivanu and Ivalu. These words are used when the person is standing near us. For example, in this picture, the girl is standing next to her younger brother and is introducing him to her friend. Since the younger brother is standing near her, we use Ivanu. Therefore, the girl introduces her younger brother by saying, Ivanu nanna tamma. He is my younger brother. Similarly, in this picture, the girl is introducing her younger sister to her friend. Since the younger sister is standing near her, we use Ivalu. Therefore, the girl introduces her younger sister by saying, Ivalu nanna tangi. She is my younger sister. So remember, Avanu and Avalu are used when the person is far from us. Ivanu and Ivalu are used when the person is near us. Today we learned how to use he and she in Kannada and practice some simple sentences. Keep practicing these sentences and try using them in your daily conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.